Hello, what's up? So in today's cooking we are making macaroni pasta. Wow, this macaroni is boiling here. I can show you. I have put the macaroni on boil with some with some oil and salt. So meanwhile it is boiling, I have taken some oil in the pan. It's a little extra oil which is required, and I have put some pieces of onion and capsicum. I will be using in this corns, some jalapenos and olives, mayo, then arrabbiata and pizza and pasta, and of course, surprise, chili garlic paste. So I'm going to add it now. Alright, not much, just almost a spoon. 1 spoon of pizza pasta, no sorry, ginger garlic, and you have to stir it well. Wow, I really like the color. And add the corns to it, because the main ingredient, it's a corn pasta. So I'm adding the corns. These are the boiled corns, guys. Stir them, and I will chop the jalapeno pieces into smaller ones because some of them are like very big, so I have to chop them. Okay, before I will chop them. In this you will add just a little bit of salt, nothing else. Rest of the work the sauce will do. Wow, see these colors, like yellow, green, white. Looks pretty. So by the time macaroni gets ready, it is completely boiled. It will take a little more time. I'm going to add the jalapenos and olives also in this. You can also add red paprika if you want, if you like it. I like them, but today I'm not adding red paprika. I'm adding only jalapenos and olives because I want to add lots of chili flakes afterwards. So these veggies are almost done. Okay, now I'm going to add all the sauces, means the mayonnaise and the pizza pasta sauce or the arrabbiata sauce. So first I'm going to add arrabbiata with a little bit of water. Arrabbiata. Nobody has patent right on the pronunciation, but it's okay. You can use whatever you like. Now there goes mayo mixed with a little bit of water, because I wanted to finish these two sauces today. Mix it well. Put it on simmer. Now I'm going to add some salt. I hope I reach the salt. Yeah, adding a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to add the macaroni also. So I have drained the macaroni. I have run the cold water over it, and now I'm going to put it into this gravy here. Wow, 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 wow. Looks nice. Reduce the flame once again. Mix it well. Someone in my house likes macaroni with garlic, and I forgot to put it today. Well, let it be next time. Now I will add some more mayo and normal ketchup to it. So I have added almost 2 spoons of ketchup and 2 big spoons of mayo, and I'm going to mix it well now. You can also add tomato puree. I don't have it today. Otherwise, instead of ketchup, I prefer to put the tomato puree. You can increase the flame now. You can keep the consistency to the level which you like. If you want to keep it like this, you can turn the gas off here only, or you can dry it a little bit if you want some creamy texture, not the liquid texture. And towards the end, guys, we will be sprinkling on it, on the top, lots of chili flakes and oregano. Cool. So